What is up, guys? It is Tony here, and today we are doing a video about a computer that I did not plan on doing a video about. Didn't even plan on purchasing this thing, but I saw this thing for 80 or best offer, offered 60 and got it. And when I saw it, at first I was like, this thing looks beat up, but maybe I could clean it up. No, this thing actually looks so brand new. So good. And not only that, by the way, this is a 2007 MacBook. So 13-year-old, look how quick it starts up. So this computer, why is it so new? Why is it so pristine? This computer, for whatever reason, has not been used at all. So really quickly, first off, here we go. This battery has been recharged at a load cycle count of 35. 156-month-old Mac, 35 load cycles. You can see the capacity is at 91%. This operating system, I'm going to go ahead and put a picture up right now, which is from the terminal command. This operating system was installed in September 2009. So this was most likely an upgrade from Leopard in 2009 that was done by the owner of the Mac. If not, I mean, yeah, because it's a 2000 and, what is it, a 7 or an 8? I believe it's 2007. It has the 2.4 gigahertz. So this is probably actually a 2008. So that being said, like, there's no way that wasn't installed by the owner. So it looks like the owner used it for a little under a year and then stopped using it, never used it beyond that. And this thing is, for all intents and purposes, basically unused. My MacBook Air M1 that I have for less than a month has equal battery cycles to this computer. It's stunning. And because how new it is, everything kind of opens up and runs great, especially for a spinning disk. I mean, spinning disks are usually extremely slow, but I've been messing around with this thing and it just feels snappy. And it just goes to show how Apple does a very good job of optimizing software for hardware. I mean, the fact I could tool around on this old 13-year-old MacBook, 12-year-old MacBook, and it's still just great. I mean, what can you say about that? Speakers are a little quiet. I might do a full review on this thing. But there you go. Thank you for watching. Just wanted to show you guys this. Real quick, let me show you that battery, just so you guys can get an idea. So here it is. And as you can see, the only damage on this thing, let me show you guys real quick. The only damage is that little scratch there coming from the battery opener. Probably because someone was using a knife to open it. Only damage, like, and then some like light scratching on the plastic, because this plastic is delicate. I mean, when you could open this thing with your finger, it's new. Because they're really hard to open once they get old. Look at this shiny, brand new OEM battery. And the inside is shiny looking too. Very clean. I mean, what are you gonna do? $60 for basically the perfect quality collectible white MacBook that actually today kind of is still usable. I've been watching YouTube on this thing and having a lot of fun with it. Oh, so we're gonna have to reboot now. So I've been having a lot of fun with it. Surprisingly snappy for the time, but of course it is going to get slower with time. So because of that, I'd like to just put it away and preserve it, just so I don't, damage this thing or dirty it up or anything. It's nice and clean. Oh, so it's just reloading the OS. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.